Hey friends, welcome back to the channel. This is Carlton Lewis, your Atlanta real estate agent, coming to you live and direct from Sandy Springs, Georgia. Today we are going to preview this beautiful 3-bedroom, 4.5 bath home that you see here behind me. It is beautiful, 4,000 square feet. So I'd like to know what you like about this house. Leave a comment below. And before we get started, if you have any questions about this house, make sure you reach out to me. My contact information is above and in the description of this video. Now, make sure you give this video a thumbs up if you're feeling it, and subscribe if you haven't already done so, and make sure you hit that notification bell so you'll know the next time I put out new videos. Without further ado, let's get it started. How would you like to live a few minutes from the city green at Sandy Springs? Then you've got to come check out this 4,000 square feet, 3-bedroom, 4.5 bath, modern luxury townhome located in the Aria West subdivision. It is conveniently located in Sandy Springs, Georgia, north of the city of Atlanta, near Aria Village, Perimeter Mall, Mercedes-Benz North American headquarters, UPS corporate headquarters, shopping, and more. I'm excited to introduce you to this stunning 4-level residence in the highly sought-after Aria West community listed by Ritika Pareek with eXp Realty. Nestled on the corner lot, this in-unit beautifully blends comfort and style. Step inside to a grand 2-story foyer, setting the tone for spacious living. The main level features an open concept design with a spacious quart kitchen island, chic white cabinetry, stainless steel appliances, and a well-appointed pantry. The cozy living room showcases a captivating floor-to-ceiling stone fireplace. Natural light fills the front sitting room through expansive windows, creating a perfect spot for relaxation. The entire main level is graced with beautiful hardwood floors. Enjoy the convenience of 2 distinct deck areas, one on the main floor and another on the upper level. The primary suite is bathed in natural light and boasts expansive windows, a sitting area, and access to a luxurious spa-like bathroom with a double vanity, a freestanding jetted bathtub, and a separate shower, all with exquisite finishes. The upper level roof deck is an ideal space for entertaining and relaxation. Additional highlights include epoxy flooring in the garage and a fully finished basement with an additional full bath, offering versatile space for your needs. Plus, the standout feature here is that this home can be fitted with an elevator. Residents can also enjoy community amenities, including a pool, cabana, and nature trails. Local schools include Woodland Elementary, Sandy Springs Middle, and North Springs High School. I'm excited to show you this amazing home. Let's start your tour. Welcome back. What did you think about this beautiful home here located in Sandy Springs? I'd like to get your thoughts about it. Leave a comment down below if you're feeling this house. What did you like about it? You know, I want to know what you think about it. And if you have any questions about this house, you want to see it in person, definitely reach out to me and we can make that happen for you. So again, if you're feeling this video, give it a thumbs up and make sure you subscribe to this channel if you haven't already done so, and hit that notification bell so you'll know the next time I put out new videos. This is Carlton Lewis, your Atlanta real estate agent, coming to you again live and direct from Sandy Springs, Georgia, and we'll see you on the next video. Have a great day. Peace.